This video is part of the Level 1 project series. It will explain how to develop a basic design layout. Please pause the video and download and print a copy of the simple single tube rocket layout before watching the remainder of this video. Design layout. An experienced rocket designer typically starts a new design by making a layout sketch of the structure they are going to start with. The sketch would include all major components of the design. External airframe components like the body tube, the nose cone, and the fins. Internal components like the engine block, the recovery system, the ejection wadding, and shock cord. When you become more experienced, you too will want to make your own design layouts. But for this project, you will use the standard layout diagram you downloaded. The layout is a simple single tube structure. On the left side is a two-dimensional view that shows all the major external and internal parts. All the parts are also labeled for your reference. On the right are two solid model 3D views of the same layout. One is an external view and the other is a transparent view showing the internal parts. They are to help you visualize how the parts go together. You will start your design using the layout guide you printed. You fill it out as you go through the design process. Simply follow the prompts in the guide. Start by defining the base components. The engine type and body tube size are easy in this case because the design requirements gave you a specific engine and body tube size to use. Pause this video and check the design definition to get that info and enter it into your hard copy form. You should now have the engine and body tube size filled in. A 1/4 A3-3T is your engine, and your body tube size is a T5. Now you need to select an engine block and a nose cone. If you were an experienced designer, you would either select parts you are already familiar with, go to the website of your parts supplier and search for an appropriate part. If you were a member of a rocket club, you could ask someone else what they recommend. Or you could go to your club's material inventory list and look for parts there. Assuming this is your first time designing a rocket, you are most likely not familiar enough with these parts to do that. In the next video, we will look at some actual parts so you can get familiar with what they look like, and then you will be better able to make those selections. This has been Design Layout Part 1 for the Level 1 project.